Hopefully it's been a good day with the sky starting to clear out, allowing for a sunny afternoon over South Africa's interior. On our satellite, you'll still see some moisture moving over the eastern part of the country, with partly cloudy weather persisting in the south. Overnight, we're expecting fine and dry conditions with a cold night in store over the central interior, but with a slight chance of rainfall still over the far eastern part of the country, and that chance of rain remains in the forecast through to Monday morning. For the interior, though, we can expect a sunny forecast at the start of the work week, with partly cloudy conditions along the Western Cape Coast, with a weak cold front brushing along the southeastern coastline, bringing in a mostly cloudy day and the possibility of rainfall. For tonight, though, things remain dry over much of the interior, with a slight chance of rainfall over the far eastern part of South Africa. On our wind map, you'll see a southwesterly wind gusting along the east coast and following the circulation of that ridging high. Then as we head into Monday, we'll start to see that westerly wind along the eastern Cape Coast, with strong winds in the forecast in the afternoon. Light winds are expected over the western interior, with a southeasterly wind forecast along the west coast, and we're also expecting light winds over the southwestern part of South Africa. Overnight, we'll see Bethlehem and Bloemfontein both drop 1 degree below zero, freezing for Sutherland, 4 degrees for De Aar and Uppington, 3 as we head into Mahikeng, 6 and 7 for Johannesburg and Pretoria, in the mid-teens along the KwaZulu-Natal coast, 12 for George and East London, and Cape Town dropping to 13 degrees overnight. Tomorrow afternoon, things are warm for Polokwane and Mbombela, both at 25, 26 as we head into Mahikeng, 21 degrees for Johannesburg and Kimberley, with maximum temperatures peaking in the mid-20s for KwaZulu-Natal, but low 20s for the Eastern Cape, 19 for Sutherland and Cape Town and George, both topping 22 degrees. Our extended forecast then takes us into Tuesday, where we can expect sunny weather over the interior, but with the possibility of rain along the KwaZulu-Natal coast, as well as some evening rain for George at 23 degrees. And then on Wednesday, we can expect yet another fine and dry day over the interior, other than a bit of high cloud extending across the country, 23 degrees for Mbombela with a mostly cloudy forecast, and some rain over the southern part of the country. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Stay with us for further updates.
You deserve to know more.
eNCA.com